In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear brake pad sensors on this BMW 328i. These are going to be located behind the rear wheels. Let's get into it. Now we're going to remove the wheel. Use a 17mm socket. Take these lug bolts out. Before I take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel on so it doesn't fall. That off, grab the wheel and pull it off. Now remove the brake pad sensor. I'm just going to use some needle nose pliers. Just grab it and just pull it out. Sometimes they're kind of brittle. There we go. Just pull that out. Take the cap off the bleeder screw. And just move that over. Now just follow the wire back. There is a clip. It's clipped in right here. Just want to pop that clip out. If you need to, use a straight blade screwdriver. Push that down, but it unclips pretty easy. Just follow that down. Pull that out. And right here, there's a retainer. Just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Get in there, pop that one open. Oh, this one's a little brittle, just kind of broke. It's okay. And further up, you get another one there. Pop that off. Now we got to get behind the inner fender well. Now using a 8mm socket, take these screws out. There's one underneath there. And these screws. Oh, that one's stuck. Those out. Using a 10mm socket, take this nut out. There. And there's one right here, next to the shock. Now we just need to get to the back of this, so we're just gonna pull this out. You don't have to take it off completely. Just pull it out of the way. Now follow the wire back. Yours may have a door right here. You're gonna have to pop that door open, but this does not. And grab this connector, pull that out, push down on the tab. And disconnect the connector. There you go. Now take the connector, line this up, lock it in place. You can push the connector in. Just make sure the grommet goes through down below. And if yours had a door, you want to close that door. And have the wire go through that retainer, close that. And we'll just fish this through. And get that through the other retainer. Right there, close that up. Now take the inner fender well and push that back in position. And take that nut, snug that down, and take the other nut, snug that down, and get these screws started, snug these down. Snug those down, and underneath here, snug that down. Now take the wire and secure it in these retainers. Line that up, that's good. Go through the cap for the bleeder screw. You can re-secure that. Take that, and we're gonna line that up with the brake pad and push it in place. Now I'll put the wheel on, get that lined up, get the lug stud started. the other ones on, snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 80 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.